Greetings all and welcome to Old School Cooks. Today I'm going to be showing you a little hack that you can do rain or shine and have some delicious corn. Fire roasted corn to be exact. And this is simple, easy, and you'll be amazed. It uses the trick that you probably know about the microwave with the little twist. And we're going to get started right now. Cheers all.
Not much to this recipe, guys. An ear of corn, cutting board, knife, and a gas stove. And your microwave is all you need. You've probably seen this hack before with the microwave. And it's actually something that I learned from my mom. Mama Old School Slot said, "I've got the best way to cook corn." And I said, yeah, what is it, Ma? And she told me about the microwave method, and it really works. But I kick it up a notch, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So, this ear of corn just goes in the microwave for 2 minutes. I usually do it 90 seconds and then flip it over and do it another 30 seconds and it's ready to go. So let's pop it in the microwave and get it right out. All right, guys, 2 minutes. Corn is ready. You just basically unwrap it. The silk comes off very easily and this is ready to go just like this. Butter it, salt, whatever you want. It's good. But we're going to kick it up a notch, make it fire roasted and even more delicious. Moss's summer salad, fire roasted corn. We're going to add it this summer. Let's get it on the stovetop. All right, guys, ready for the stovetop. Just put it on medium-low heat and just place it right on top like that. You can do it for a few minutes. You can do it longer. You want it really charred. You just want it few kernels to be toasted slightly. It's entirely up to you. You hear the little popping sound. No, it won't be popcorn, but it's gonna be delicious nonetheless. So I'll see you in a couple of minutes. All right, a couple of minutes, give it a turn. You see it just gets nice and roasted there, giving it such a nice flavor. Just gonna do it for a few more minutes. Turning it ever so often, you want to keep your eye on it. You don't want to set it and forget about it and come back and have a charred mess. But it's really fun and delicious. See you in 2. There you have it, guys. Less than 6 minutes, fire roasted corn. Delicious, so flavorful, so easy. All I do is just take the knife and carefully cut all those kernels off, using it for salads, side dish, whatever you want to do. Taco night, Moss's summer salad, this fire roasted corn, I think I mentioned in that video. It's delicious. Done. A little messy, but that's what eating corn on the cob is all about, right? This is an awesome hack, not really a recipe, but I hope you try it. If you enjoy it, please let me know. Maybe how you tweak it, what you add to your corn. Maybe you eat it right off the cob. It's delicious. And we're done.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this little celebration hack and you will discover how easy it is to kick it up a notch and make some delicious fire roasted corn at home, rain or shine, and enjoy. Cheers, and thank you so much for your love and support of all the Old School Slots channels, and please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the action. Cheers. See you real soon.